so I have my February Boxycharm, finally. I always feel like I get mine super late in the month, even though it's not super late in the month right now. I just feel like I wait and wait for it, and while I'm waiting, I see everybody posting videos already, and I try to avoid them so I don't see what they're getting, because I don't want to see any sneak peeks as to what I'm getting. It's frustrating. This month's theme is Adore. Super cute card. Of course, all the prices and everything are inside, so I'll set that aside. Now let's see what is in here. First, I am seeing this Pur Cosmetics 4-in-1 Correcting Primer, and it says Energize and Rescue with aloe, coconut water, and probiotics, and it is silicone free. So that's really nice. You get 1 fluid ounce. Okay, looks like a moisturizer. Smells pretty nice. I picked up like a slight coconut scent. Maybe it's the coconut water, but it's definitely not overpowering or anything. I'm excited to try this. I do have like my tried and true primers I always go to, but it doesn't hurt to incorporate a new one to see if I like it. It just says smooth onto dry skin alone or before makeup application, so definitely going to give that a go. So this is $17. That's a pricey primer. Next up, I see this Amica Supernova Moisture and Shine Cream. So let's see what this is for. It is a leave-in cream, weightlessly conditions, tames frizz, and heat protects. That's really nice. Let's see if this has a smell. It does have a slight kind of florally scent. I'm excited to use this after my shower. I love putting creams like this in my shower that like do heat protect and all of that stuff, and maybe it'll make my hair feel really nice. So I'm excited to try this. After my next shower, I will test this out and let you guys know how I like it. I'm not a big fan of getting hair care type of items though, because I tend to never use them, but something like this that you just like, you can throw on after your shower, I do like, but leave-in conditioners and like hair oils and stuff like that, I'm just not a fan of, but this I am excited to try because it is something that you can just throw in your hair after a shower. It's good for heat protecting and frizz taming, and I can use all of that, so I am excited for that. The next item, ooh, I'm very excited for this. This is by Kate Somerville. It is the KX Active Concentrates Biomimicking Peptides Smooth and Firm Serum. It says it has a 5-peptide blend, targets loss of elasticity and firmness while visibly reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So that's always nice. Let's see. How to use AM and PM, apply 1 to 2 drops to cleansed skin. And it just says, I formulated my high-performance concentrate with a signature blend of 5 VIPs, very important peptides that work together to visibly refresh and renew skin as it firms, smooths, and hydrates. That sounds fabulous, actually. Ooh, I really like the packaging. Very, like, sleek and nice looking. It feels very nice. So let's just see. It's got a slight color to it, if you guys can see that. Let's see if it has a scent. I detect no scent. So that could be nice for a skincare item. Now, I did get a skincare item. Well, okay, last month's box was very skincare heavy. I forgot what I got now, but it was very skincare heavy. Several boxes back, I think it was my December box, I believe. I also got a serum, so I have several serums to try. Maybe I'll incorporate one or the other in my skincare routine, try it out for a while and see how I like it, and go from there. And then I'll eventually incorporate like the other one just so I can get the ball rolling on actually trying all these products that I'm getting. But since I'm very much into skincare now, I'm very excited to have that serum. Oh, I'm forgetting prices. The Amica Moisture and Shine Cream is $25. That's very expensive to me, actually. Okay, the Kate Somerville Peptide Serum. Oh, $98 for this. Nearly a 1 fluid ounce. That's real expensive. $98. I could buy a lot of stuff with $98. All right. So the next two things I'm kind of confused by. Now I did open this when I got it earlier because I feel like I wait so long for the box and I like don't look for spoilers or anything. I feel like I just want to open it as soon as I get it to see what I got. So I knew like before I started the video what I got. And I'm confused as to why I got both of these products. I feel like I could have gotten one or the other and then like another additional product. But I'm not hating it. I'm just confused why I got both products. So I got this Moda Pro 5-piece deluxe eye kit brush set, which I'm actually really excited for because I hate cleaning brushes. So just to like get me to not clean brushes for a while, or at least maybe the next couple applications of doing my makeup, I can use these. And then I'll go in and wash all my brushes. Maybe I'll do a whole video about washing my brushes because it needs to happen, but definitely excited to have some new brushes. So these are $27.95. It's a very specific price for these, but I like, you know what, I'll open them and show you guys. Oh, come on. Sweet niblets. I've been watching Hannah Montana every single night on Disney Plus lately because I don't remember ever finishing the show. I actually don't think I got past like the first maybe 2 seasons because I don't remember them ever moving to a whole new house, and I don't remember Miley ever even talking about college and all of that. So I finally got to the point where she like came out saying she was Hannah Montana, and I don't know, it's just like warming my heart because I remember when the show first came on and I'm getting off topic, but I've just been watching Hannah Montana a lot lately, so if I start saying sweet niblets, that is why. But it has a really cute texture to it. I think I got one brush like this in an Ipsy bag, one of my last Ipsy bags, I believe. So I do like these brushes. They feel pretty nice. They're really cute. I like that they're all black, so very, very excited. And I said the price of that, right? $27.95. The last thing, again, I'm confused as to why I got both of these rather than one of them and then another product, but it is this Luxie Complete Sponge Set. So it says Bake, Contour, and Detail. So I guess you do like, you can use them for anything, honestly. Like I'll be using one of these very soon, I'm sure, for foundation, and this would be good for concealer. But so I just, again, I don't know why I got like brushes and sponges. One or the other would have been fine by me, but not complaining. Let's see how they feel. Because I did, since I got this, I didn't get it today. I think I got it yesterday. Might have been 2 days ago by now. I'm losing track of my days anymore. But the day that I got it, I watched Kathleen White's video because she had just uploaded her Boxycharm, and she ended up not liking this little bitty sponge for doing concealer under the eye because she said once she wet it and everything, it was still too firm, a little too hard for her to use. But she actually really liked, I think it was this sponge for doing foundation and stuff. But either way, I am not mad about getting the sponge set. I think it's really nice. I like the brushes I got. I just think it's weird that I got both. So this little set is $40. Normally I use, the sponge that I always use is from Shop Miss A. I get like the $1.44 sponge because it like donates proceeds of it to help animals. But I literally, anytime I need a new sponge, I order it from there because it's so cheap and it's such a good sponge, and other YouTubers are finally finding that out. So yeah, but it never hurts to have backup sponges, and they're real expensive sponges, so I'm sure they'll get put to good use. Overall, I'm not mad at the box. I feel like I was slightly disappointed this month and slightly disappointed last month, just because last month was so skincare heavy, and then this month I still I didn't really get makeup related items except for like this primer. I saw that Kathleen Light's got an eyeshadow palette, and I was jealous at first. Like, I was like, oh, why didn't I get the palette? Like, I keep getting like, and I'm okay with getting skincare. I want it to be like mixed up every once in a while. Like, I want one month to be like, can be skincare related, and then one month makeup or a little bit of both. Like, but I don't want to keep only getting one or the other. I think I'm most excited for the serum, but I'm not mad about any of it. I just feel like, you know, I would like more eyeshadow palettes. Not that I need them, but I'm actually kind of glad I didn't get the eyeshadow palette that Kathleen Light's got, only because it looks like it's like a really big and bulky palette. Like, the packaging was kind of bulky, in my opinion. The shades looked really nice, and she said they were really good. I'm just personally glad that I didn't get that specific palette. So overall, I'm pretty happy with the box. Like I said, slightly disappointed that I haven't really gotten many makeup items in the last 2 boxes. Hopefully in the coming months that changes and I start getting more makeup, because I want to be able to test out more of the makeup than only skincare. Because again, I have my skincare routine like fully set. Like, I know what I like, and I don't mind trying new skincare products, especially really expensive ones like that $98 Kate Somerville one. Just saying. No problem trying new stuff out. I just don't want to only get skincare. I don't want to only get makeup. Like, come on, Boxycharm, switch it up a little. And I've looked at my profile. Like, it says, like, skincare and makeup heavy. Like, it's not, like, I don't know. But yeah, that's everything that I got. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Probably not. You watch all the bigger YouTubers doing these unboxings, and I totally get it. I'm just another one of them, adding to the list of unboxings. Since I'm getting it, it's a fun little video to do. I can share with you guys what I got, and then you can let me know down below if you get Boxycharm what you got, because everybody does get some variation of the box. You may have gotten the exact same thing as me, or something a little different. So I just thought I would share with you guys what I got, and I'm excited for this month. Less disappointed in this month's than last month's. Like, I really liked the Too Faced highlighter that I got, but otherwise it was just so skincare heavy. I didn't understand why I got so much skincare. So either way, I'll take it though. I still really love Boxycharm. It's still better than getting little bitty samples from Ipsy. Do I miss Ipsy? In a way. I do miss getting the cute little bags that you get each month with your makeup. I don't miss the tiny samples. Like, sometimes they're nice to have on hand, but I still got so much saved up from the 6 years I had Ipsy. I will never run out of samples of anything, I don't think. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm going to try and do a purse clean out video soon, because as I showed you that ginormous brown purse in my last what's in my purse video, it's very messy now, and I really need to clean it out. I'm not saying I'm switching purses yet, but I need to do a purse clean out, and I figured I would film it. Why not, right? So I'll do that soon for you guys. If you're interested, keep a lookout for it. I have other video ideas that I want to get done. The last few nights, it's been rough. Like, my son has been taking really late naps in the day, so by the time he wakes up, he's not tired for bed at a decent time, so he hasn't been going to bed until like 3 in the morning, and that sounds crazy, I know. But like, he'll nap so late in the night, and it's like, I could wake him up and make him really crabby, or I could like use that time that he's napping to get stuff around the house done that needs to get done, like going through the fridge, cleaning under beds, packing boxes, throwing out trash, and I try to take all the time I can get when he's napping or sleeping. So I'll take what I can get. I don't have my watch on. I was about to go like this, but I think it's about 2 in the morning, or close to, or maybe even a little after 2 in the morning at this point. So I'm going to wrap this up, go write down some more ideas that I have for videos, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!